Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Average Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of data science by practicing a lot of questions. In this video, we are going to solve this question on lead code regarding manager of the largest department. The difficulty level of this question is medium, and I'm going to share the SQL schema as well as the Panda schema in the description box below. Okay, the question reads, we are given a table called employees with 4 different columns: employee ID, employee name, department ID, and position. Employee ID is the column of unique values for this table. This table contains employee ID, employee name, department ID, and position. We are asked to write a solution to find the name of the manager from the largest department. There may be multiple largest departments when the number of employees in those departments is the same. We are asked to return the result table ordered by department ID in ascending order. Okay, let's go through this example. So here we have departments 100, 101, 107. So yeah, 3 different departments. So if we look at department 100, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 people. Department 101, 1, 2, 3, and 4 people. And then department 107 has 1, 2, and 3 people. So the largest departments are 100 and 101. Who are the managers of 100 and 101? Joseph and Isabella. And we should order this by department ID in ascending order. So it should be Joseph and 100, and then Isabella and 101. And that is what we have in our output. So what we can do is we can use count as a window function, so that for every department ID we can go ahead and count how many people are there. Either you can go ahead and group by the department ID and then count the number of people, or like a better way you want to avoid joins, etc. What we can do is we can go ahead with the count window function. So what I'm saying is, from this employees table, let us keep all the 4 columns that we already have and then use the count function. So let's count star. Why will count star work? Because this is a unique value, right? So this is a primary key. So all the employees are distinct in this. And then let's use the over and partition by the department ID, because for every department we want how many people are in their department. And let's alias this as number of employees. Okay, let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So if you look at it, what we have right now here is, let me just drag it to the left. So we have for department ID 100, we have 4 people, 101, 4 people, 107, 3 people. Okay, once we have this, then what we need is we need to rank based on the number of employees in descending order, so that we can get to know, okay, which department has the highest number of employees. So let's save this entire thing in a common table expression. So with city as, and then this entire thing goes into parentheses. And then what we want is, from this common table expression, let us keep all the columns that we have currently and then rank. Now it says that it is possible that more than one department has equal number of employees, so all of them should be included. So you do not need to use the row number. You can use either rank or dense rank. I usually prefer dense rank, so let me just go ahead and do dense rank and then over, and it should be not by department. It is basically order by the number of employees in descending order. So order by number of employees in descending manner, and let's alias this as rank. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So now if we look at this, right, let me just drag it above and to the left so that it's easier. Okay, so obviously these department IDs 100 and 101 are assigned rank 1 and 107 is assigned rank 2. Okay, now what we can do is we want, okay, whenever your rank is equal to 1, that means you are the highest department, and also we want the name of the manager. So position is equal to manager, return me the employee name and department ID, and that is what we require in our output. So let's save this into another common table expression. So CTE2 as, this entire thing again goes into parentheses, and then what we want is, from this common table expression 2 that we just created, we want the largest department, so where rank is equal to 1, and also we want the name of the employee of the manager. So and position is equal to manager. We want the name as well as the department ID. So return me the employee name, and that should be aliased as what in our output? Manager name. So as manager name, and you also need the department ID, and this result should be ordered by department ID in ascending order. So let us do that. order by department ID in ascending order. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So yeah, this is accepted. Our output is exactly same as expected output. Let me go ahead and submit it to see if passes all the test cases or not. So yeah, this is accepted and this is how to do it. So not a difficult question. All we had to basically do was, firstly, we used count as a window function to get, okay, for every department, how many number of employees are there. Then we use this number of employees to basically rank those departments in descending orders because we want the largest department. And then we kept, okay, whenever your rank equal to 1, that means you belong to the largest department and your position is a manager. Return me the name and department ID ordered by department ID in ascending order. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there is a better, more efficient solution to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.